Hello, little fella. Here comes another one. Here we are on the beach at 5:30 in the morning, and we've got a couple of visitors. And the sun coming up in the background. Excuse me, singing. Oh well, day number 2 out on the water. Lacey! How was the run out this morning, mate?
It's ordinary to say the least.
She was a little bit interesting on the way out. The winds turned around to a bit of an easterly, and looks like we hopefully we'll get a bit of nice weather later on today. So. Well, we just got all excited and we got a fish. Look at that! 1 mackerel. So you never know what's going to happen. We didn't get it on film, but maybe we'll get the next one. Cleesy's excited. How excited are you, Cleesy?
We're excited.
How excited? How excited?
Yay!
Cleesy is on. We just had something take one of our floating baits.
Something a lot like a mackerel.
Something a lot like a mackerel. The water there. Cleesy's up.
Another mackerel. Another little mackerel. A nice solid little fish, this one. Very healthy. Healthy lifestyle in Fraser Island.
Netter?
Yeah? No.
No?
It's a sweetie, I think.
There's Cleesy, hooked up again.
Oh no, it's a monster bloody... Look at that. Look at that for a Moses perch.
Holy crap!
That is a good Moses perch.
That is an absolute snogger.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Nice cod. Nice cod. That's a blue flowery cod. They're beautiful. So
He's only just got.
yeah, he's just hooked. He's one of the better eating fish.
Is he a keeper, what you reckon?
Yeah, I think he is, mate.
He's netted because he's only just hooked on 8.
Okay.
We could, I might even whack that snap into his net.
Yeah. No, he's a legal blue flowery. Very nice. They're a lovely eating fish.
Very cod. same, yeah. Grab yours, Garth.
Jeez, it's fucking cold. Did you have to make it so cold?
Here's Garth. And that is an absolute nogger of a fish. Push him out, mate. Look at him, that mate. He looks good.
It's like a very sticky.